Welcome to my 1972 VW Beetle. Just acquired it off a mate. He's had this Beetle for about 5 years. He owns Bogey Nights, the surplus store here in Plymouth. I've done some work on this one a few years ago now. I think there's some wiring, but it needs a fair bit of welding. But the plans are, I'll jump right down, see if I can take all these stickers off. And this one, use a hot gun. Lower it, so it's going to be a lowered Ratlock Beetle. Bumpers, not too sure because these are the wrong bumpers for this year. The US spec one goes on like a pre-65. Engine sweet as a nut, but yeah, he's going to need some welding. Not even checked under the hood, under the bonnet. Patch there, good old tidy up. But what I paid for it, happy days. Take a look at the engine. Little 1300. He's just driven it about 6 miles. Not a drop of oil. Bone dry. But as I say, he needs welding. Lights I've got in stock, so it's not going to cost me anything. Let's see if he starts up. Oh, and he put a brand new battery in today. So, nice Bluetooth. Radio. I think he's push button. Yeah, he is. I think. Yeah. Push button. Needs to tap it, sorting out. You can hear that. Give it a good full service. It's been parked up for 7 months. We need a good full service. I've got all the bits. Yeah, welding. It's going to need a fair bit. Fair bit of welding. Bottom of the heater channel, half of that. But it's a cool colour of the beige. Well, it looks grey. On the logbook it says beige, but it's either a faded beige or beige. That's the colour, beige. I've got a new bonnet, so I'll tidy that up, do a rat look. Say it's going to be a slam rat look. Probably match the, I've got a rusty wing, so I'll match this side. So I'm going to lower it, drop spindles, lower the back 2 splines so he's slammed. But be a cool little ride. It won't be available yet, so I've got to take all the stickers off. All in all, very nice. The bumpers could be back up for sale if I go with the Europa ones, similar to the 411. That's the bumpers it should have. I think they will look better. But I've been cracking on at the unit. Project Matey's half off the pan. Started to break this. Anyone wants some bits before this one goes the next few weeks, give me a shout. So I take the dash apart, all the locks are gone. I need the screen, the engine, but the rest can go in one. Good roof. Let me know if not. Take the gearbox out and that'll be scrapped. I've got some black seats anyway to go back with to match the rears. Nice little addition. So I'll be doing bits to this each day. There he is. 1972, 5th of December 1972. 50-year-old. Well, it'll be 51 this year. Mad. I'm happy. So with that, thanks for watching. So I'm sticking with Beetles now. All the vans will be going. Happy days. Right, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.